Today I'm going to be showing you how to attach the TriggerJet nozzle to your sink. So the items that you need will depend on the type of sink you're trying to attach to. I'm going to be attaching to my bathroom sink, but you could also attach to your kitchen sink, your laundry sink. So I've seen some people put it in their shower. The items you need will depend on where you are attaching your TriggerJet nozzle. So these are specific to my bathroom sink. No matter where you're attaching it, the first thing you're going to want is a hose. So I got this 4-foot hose off of Amazon, and it just attaches right into my TriggerJet nozzle on this end. So you don't need anything special. This end just attaches to a regular hose attachment. And then as far as attaching this end to my sink, that's where it will depend on where you're attaching this. So I'm going to be using two different parts. This part is completely optional. This is a Y connector. And this is just so that when I have my hose connected on this side, I can still use this side as a regular faucet. So like I said, that's optional. And then this is the part that will attach to my bottom of my faucet in order to allow this to go into it. So this little attachment will vary. You might not need this depending on where you're putting it, or you might, it'll just depend on your situation. So let's get it hooked up. Okay, so this is just my standard bathroom sink, and I'm just going to remove the part that comes with it and replace it with my attachment. So that just twists right in there. And next I'm going to put on my Y connector. Again, this piece is optional. It just and then I can just attach my hose to one side and my TriggerJet nozzle to this side. And it gives me a nice flat spray. So when you're washing out your stencils, the pressure of your water really does make a difference, and that is where the TriggerJet nozzle comes in. Not only does it have a nice flat spray that evenly goes across the stencil, but it also simulates about 150 psi for water pressure. So it helps to wash out your stencils faster while still being gentle enough to not blow away your details.